Tuesday, January 27th, Point Lookout, entrance to Point Lookout. We got about 13, 14 inches of snow. It's now around 10 o'clock in the morning. Most of the roads are plowed. Everything's kind of closed up due to the storm. We had 30, 40, 50 mile an hour winds. It's kind of deserted. Everybody's home. Of course, there's Hug Real Estate. The gas station is closed right now. They should be opening pretty soon. We have Dr. Manning's office. See a few cars on the street. Olive Oils is closed. Aggie's Market is closed. Everybody's closed up today. I'm sure things will open up in the afternoon. Point Bottle Shop, AJ Hennigan's, everybody's kind of closed. The drugstore. McDonald Plumbing's out there working. Must be a couple of frozen lines or something for them to do in the Point. Ale House closed. Jojo Apples. And the fire department were out all day last night. So we have Salt Air is open today. They're going to get all the business today. We got a truck, National Guard truck here. There's the Amados. And the post office is definitely closed. So as you can see, we got about 13, 14 inches, some drifts. Pretty windy last night. 30, 40, 50 mile an hour winds. And we're all the way down to the park. And you see they plowed all the snow up to the gate. So basically not a bad storm as they were predicting. Okay, presented by Hug Real Estate, 516-431-8000, www.hugrealestate.com. Thank you. This is for all the snowbirds down in Florida. You're wondering what's going on up here. This video will be out shortly on YouTube. Thanks, bye.